Repairing your reputation, a guide to understanding and action. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and important phrase in the English language: reputation repair. This phrase is not just about words. It's about actions, perceptions, and the journey towards improving how others see us or an organization. So, whether you're learning English as a new language or just curious about this phrase, stay tuned as we delve into what it means to repair one's reputation. Firstly, let's break down the term reputation. Reputation refers to the beliefs or opinions that are generally held about someone or something. It's like a picture that people have in their minds about a person, company, or product based on their past actions, behavior, or performance. It can be positive, negative, or neutral. Understanding this is crucial because reputation influences how others interact with you or a brand. Now, let's look at the word repair in this context. In general, to repair something means to fix it or restore it to a good condition. When we talk about repairing a reputation, we mean taking steps to improve how others perceive us after something has damaged that perception. It's like fixing a broken vase. It might never be exactly the same, but it can still be made to look good again. Reputation repair is important for several reasons. For individuals, it might be about restoring trust and respect after making a mistake. For companies, it's often about regaining customer confidence and maintaining their brand's image. In both cases, effective reputation repair can lead to renewed opportunities, relationships, and success. So, how does one go about repairing a reputation? It involves several steps. 1. Acknowledging the issue. You must first accept and understand what caused the damage to your reputation. 2. Apologizing sincerely. If the situation calls for it, offer a genuine apology. 3. Making amends. Take appropriate actions to rectify the situation. 4. Consistent behavior. Show through consistent actions that you have changed or improved. 5. Communication. Keep others informed about what you are doing to fix the problem. Let's look at some examples. For an individual, reputation repair might involve apologizing for a mistake, making up for it, and then consistently demonstrating better behavior. For a company, it might mean addressing customer complaints, improving product quality, and then communicating these changes to the public. That's all about reputation repair. Remember, repairing a reputation takes time and effort, and it's about what you do, not just what you say. I hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding this phrase. Keep practicing your English, and see you in the next video.